Okay, so I'm here with Tony, and you remember Tony as we documented his surgery day. A lot of people are asking about his update, and now we're at 5 months, so I wanted to do a quick FaceTime and Skype with Tony. So Tony, how is everything going? I see you have some growth starting.
Everything's going good, wonderful.
Excellent, excellent. So
just starting to fill in.
Yeah, and let's see the temples. I'm really happy with the way the temples are really making your forehead look so much nicer. And
my favorite part.
Yes, and at this point at 5 months, this is when everything is just sort of starting to come in. So usually around 4 months, everything starts to grow, and then every month after that, it gets thicker and thicker up to a year when you have your final result. But I can already see how your face is reframed. You don't have those what you call Mickey Mouse ears like you had on your surgery day video, and
yes.
I can't wait to see
Mickey Mouse.
Has anyone said anything? I mean, anybody at where you work, or are you still...
Yeah, in fact, I mean, on the daily, because a lot of my clients know that I've had the procedure.
Yes.
Every time they come in, they always ask me, you know, if they want to take a close look at it.
Yeah, yeah.
I see it every day. So for me, it's little changes.
Right.
But to them, they're just shocked at what a difference 4 weeks makes, because every time they come in to see me, there's more hair. Yep,
absolutely, man. Well, I'm very happy for you, and I can't wait to see what this looks like in a couple months when it really starts to fill in a little more. But thank you again. You have a lot of fans over on the mainland here. Thanks for, all the way in Hawaii, keeping us updated with your progress. So
no problem.
We'll see you in a probably about 2 or 3 months to see how your your 7-8 month result looks. Thanks so much, Tony.
Thank you, Dr. Huebner.
Aloha.
Aloha to you, my friend.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.